Hi, I'm Eric Robinson. I think most business owners would agree it's a whole new world out there today. Everybody is scrambling and adjusting, and there are a lot of new demands and issues and unknowns going on. Let me ask you, have you been successful in evaluating all the new issues and clarifying your choices and moving forward on those choices? As you work to improve your business, you're going to need new skills, new know-how, and new methods in order to make decisions wisely on how to direct your company. Do you even know all the new methods that are available today? Idaho Advanced Manufacturing Marketing Authority has joined forces with Robert Haines and the Alternative Board to bring you the solutions you are going to need as the future evolves. Our companies are offering you the advantage of actually experiencing what has been called the most effective and efficient method for strategy understanding, business planning, marketing efficiency, and growth planning and implementation. Wouldn't it make your business much easier to have all of those? I think it would. We have the method and the tools that will give you the vision and the control that you've been seeking. This is new material, new information that you're going to want to know. So let's say you're running a business of maybe $1 million to $5 million a year, and you have somewhere in the neighborhood of 5 to 25 employees, and you want to accelerate your understanding, your clarity of vision, and your business growth. Join Robert and I and a group of other business owners and managers who all have the same purpose in mind, and that is to grow their business in a smart fashion as quickly as possible. Your only cost for this is going to be a couple hours of your time, and your gain would likely be immense. Call me at 208-960-0880 or register at the link. Robert and I look forward to hearing from you.